Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this maths puzzle together. Let n equals 8 raised to the power of 2022. Which of the following is equal to n divided by 4? So n is 8, 2022. And we want to find n divided by 4, okay? So I'm going to try and simplify n, and we will start with this. And I'll write this expression as 8 and then 2 divided by 3 and then 3033 here. So the idea here is that 2022 is equivalent to a third times 3033 multiplied by 2, because a third multiplied by 3033 is just 1011. So multiplying by 2, we get 2022. So we haven't changed anything at all. Okay. So what is 8 to the power of 2 divided by 3? Well, we can think of it as first 8, oops, this pen. So 8 cubed, and then squared, and then 3033, right? So 8 cube root is 2, so we have 2, so 2 squared, and then 3033. So 2 squared is 4, so 4 raised to the power of 3033 is equivalent to 8 raised to the power of 2022. So we can now write that here, 43033 divided by 4. On its own, it's just 4 raised to the power of 1. And we remember that when we divide powers, we are really subtracting them. So 43033 minus 1 equals 43032. So looking at our options, we get the answer E. And that's our answer. I hope you like this video. So please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.